Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're having a great weekend so far. And welcome to this new video on Polygon and Matic, which I wanted to do a quick video on. I covered it briefly yesterday in my live stream. So what I do now is I live stream every other day. So if you're interested in that, basically in that I go over all of my charts. I look for amazing trade setups and actually share them with you as well. And just go into depth a little bit more about my thought process. So if you are interested in that, consider subscribing and checking those out. I think I'll be streaming again tomorrow. But there we also talked a bit about Matic, and I just wanted to do a full update on that because I do think I have a better formulated opinion on it than yesterday in the stream, because I feel like Matic right now is pretty ambiguous. Like, you could see it as a consolidation. You could still say that we're bearish because of some news as well. Or you could say that we're bullish. I think I have a somewhat well-formulated analysis and opinion on that. Doesn't mean it's true, but still, I'll leave you to be the judge of that. For now, before we dive into Matic, if you want to receive daily trading signals from me, check out the links down in the description or in the pinned comment, and there you will find instructions on how to join. But now to Matic. So Matic itself, if we take a look at some network statistics, which if you know me, you know that I like to do that, you can actually see that the Polygon ZK EVM has actually grown a lot, but it has also stalled out since like the 22nd of June. It's still pretty high. Total value looked is great. Daily transactions, daily active addresses, still amazing. Polygon itself is, I mean, it's doing fine. I wouldn't say that it's doing amazing after everything that happened with the SEC and stuff last month. But it's holding up fine. Now, apart from that, what some of you might know is that Celsius, the bankrupt crypto bank, actually is going to convert some of its Matic to Bitcoin. So that means that there's selling pressure coming from Matic. Now, overall, this is seen as bad news, but I think it could actually be relatively good news. I mean, in total, it's about 1% of the total market cap of Matic, but the value of the holdings is $58 million. Now, at this point of time, if you take a look at the volume of Matic, 58 million is actually not that much if you throw it over a whole month. So they will actually sell it over the month of July. I think the selling pressure is going to be minimal, and that we can actually get some bullish momentum then, because everybody is relieved that it will not be that much selling pressure. Apart from that, I also still think we can get bullish momentum for Bitcoin, so that helps as well. But yeah, so with that full picture in mind, if you take a look at Matic right now, what you would say is that now that the ADX is below 20, the ADX is an indicator which basically shows you if a crypto is trending or not. What you would say is that, all right, well, we're in a consolidation. The EMAs are pretty flat as well. So we're consolidating between like 70 cents, 68 cents as our resistance, and then 62 cents and 60 cents as our support. Which is technically correct, but I think because of the fundamentals, so both Bitcoin being bullish and this being a little bit of a nothing burger, or at least I don't think it's going to be that relevant. So that together leads me to believe that it's actually more likely that, sure, I mean, at this point of time, we're getting some nice bullish breakouts. So I do think we will get up to 70 cents, and I do think we'll find resistance there. 70 cents is a big psychological resistance level. We got the 0.5 FIB there. There's the 200 EMA. So I think we'll find resistance there, but only to take a bullish break retest off of 67 and 66 cents to then break above that, get a big bullish breakout, which the thumbnail says, and get up to our next resistance around 76 cents. I think that's the most likely scenario. I think that's, I mean, in the end, even though you could argue that we are consolidating now, you could also very well argue that we are still on an uptrend, by the way. But yeah, altogether, just pairing up the technicals and the fundamentals, I would say this is the most likely scenario. So if you do have any questions, if you want to discuss anything, I'm open for that. Let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.